What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be painting chairs for charity. I got my sister with me. Now let's get painting. Alright, Eve, how's it going?
I don't know. I finished my first. I'm probably going to go back and touch it up once it dries, but I'm going to do something different on this.
Hope you give this one a try. You'll enjoy it. And from all of us here, I'd like to wish you happy painting and God bless, my friend.
I just finished the chair part.
What?
I don't know what that means, but
The bottom.
the where you sit,
The seat.
it looks pretty good. But now I'm gonna kind of blend everything together with the arm, or not with the legs. All right, so we're still working on our first two chairs. We have one left, but me and Eve decided we're just gonna go crazy on that one. So we're just gonna throw paint on it. I don't know. We're gonna have fun with it.
The next day.
All right, guys, it's the next day. I got one more chair to do. Now let's get into it. Alright guys, and that about wraps it up for this video. I might show some video taking it to the actual charity, but we'll see. Stay tuned for the next Parks Art video.